Here we go. Today, we're going to be adding fractions on Tuesday. Now, your homework is actually very different. Your homework, I only, Leandro, want you to do 7 through 14. Not all of it. Some of you did all the homework yesterday, and I'm like, oh, so sad. Well, you're not listening to here, right here. I give you the homework assignment at the very beginning of the video. If you go home and you're like, what was the homework? I know she didn't say all. What was it? Watch the first 10 seconds of the video for you to know. Now, today's a special day in math. On the date. Today's date is 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared.
What?
Is that when math was made?
Today?
Is that one like?
Huh?
Was math the today?
Well, the today's date is special because only in about, I don't know how many years, can the date be actually be written by perfect squares in order. 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. What's 3 squared? 9. Very good, Axel. So, you can write the date with squares today. All perfect squares.
Oh, but you can't do this next year, right?
No, because it's 26. That's why it's
You have to
very...
make it to 30, right?
The next perfect square is 36. But, yep. In 100 years, it'll work again. Because in order. Could you get one where it's out of order? Yes. But for it to be in order, you're going to have to wait 100 more years. I'll see you guys in 100 years.
Totally.
All right. Adding fractions. Now, I was checking the homework as I was collecting it to see how many of you were able to do this problem correctly, because this is what I'm going to review with you today. And you see here, I got a really weird answer right here that I know is not correct. Go through it, and I see some of you are doing an A-OK job. Then I got some weirdness happening. Not bad. If I check everyone's homework, I got another weird answer right there. And I got no answer. Yeah, I'm just showing you how it was on your home. 100.
Huh?
100. Wow.
Oh, they probably multiplied.
Yeah, but they didn't multiply the top. How'd they get 4? They added.
They probably did.
So they added the top and multiplied the bottom. That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
All right. So, what's the number one thing we have to make sure we do when adding fractions? Before you can add.
Multiply.
Very good, Axel. You're on a roll today. Okay. So, make sure, Andrew, be nice. Make sure you have common denominators. Nice. Make sure you have common denominators. Make sure you have common denominators. And what's the number one thing you don't do with the denominators once you're ready? Yes. Yeah. So make sure, number 2, these are just reminders. Do not add the denominators, okay? So these are reminders. Reminders, do not add the denominators. Do not add the denominators. Reminder, make sure you have common denominators. Now, we've been dealing with fractions for, a couple years now. It's something you guys did last year. It's something you guys did, I think, also in 5th grade. So it's not 100% new, but sometimes we just have to review to make sure we understand everything. All right, so from your homework, this is from your homework, the problem was 1 over 5 plus 3 over 20. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 20. What is our common denominator? 20. So, equals 20, Rolando, equals 20. So I should see you writing. We're all writing. Because if we did not learn this last year, or we did not learn this in 5th or 20. So then you ask yourself, do you remember the giant one from 6th grade?
No.
I don't use the giant one, but I don't draw the giant one, but we're doing the same thing as a giant one.
Huh?
So in 6th grade, if you came here, we did the giant one. And all the giant one is, what did you multiply 5 times what to equal 20?
4.
4. So I got to multiply the top by 4. What's 1 times 4?
4.
4. So now we no longer have 1/5. We now have 4 over 20. Bottom. What did I multiply 20 to equal 20? 1. So times 1. What's 3 times 1? 3. Yeah. So what's 4 plus 3? 7 over 20. Because we do not add 20 plus 20. We use 20. I see it. I just wrote myself a note to call home for a student, not in this class, so you let me know if we need to add someone else's name on the list. Okay, so here it is. We find a common denominator. A common denominator was 20. So this is what you had to do on your homework last night. All right, let's do another one. I read a lot better than you guys. All right. Common denominator between 8 and 6. What is our common denominator between 8 and 6?
24.
Can I change the 6 to an 8?
24. Oh, no, not 24.
No, yeah, you're right. So, it's always interesting to see which class is like higher and which class I need to work with more. It's always, well, yeah. I just got a kid telling me to change it to 7s. So let's add that to the list of, I literally wrote someone's name to remind me to call home after you guys leave during 4th period. So you guys let me know if I need to add you guys. All right. So, not yet. 8 and 6. So, Andrew, you said 24, and it actually is 24. But a lot of kids did not. So if you're going like, how do I choose what they have in common? You're going to start multiplying by those numbers. What's 8 times 1, Jesus? 8, thank you. What's 8 times 2? 8 times 3? 8 times 4? Okay, so all of these are multiples of 8. Now let's do 6. 6 times 1? 6 times 2? 6 times 3? 6 times 4? Hey, do they have a number in common? Yes. Some of you, because you know your multiplication tables very well, can do this in your head. Fantastic. If you can do this in your head, awesome. If you're like, no, then you do it on paper. This is the number that they have in common. So they have 24 in common. That's the number I'm going to use. So if they have 24 in common, that's the number I get to use. So I'm going to use it. 24, 24. The answer? All right. Then you ask yourself, gentlemen, 8 times what number equals 24?
We're at the top, right?
3. So guess what I do to the top? I multiply it by 3. What's 1? Andrew? What's 1 times 3? 3. All right. 6 times what is 24? So the top is 4. So what's 5 times 4?
20.
Very good. Good job. Hopefully it's coming all back to you from previous years. What's 3 plus 20?
23.
And we're done. Daniel, okay? Let's try this. Let's see if you guys can do this a little bit faster than I am, because I'm going to drink some water. 1/4 plus 2/6. So you start that one. What do they have in common? Write it down. What do they have in common? Start multiplying by those numbers. If you don't know, maybe you can do it in your head. Write down the number that they have in common. If you don't see it, then start multiplying by those numbers. Let's go. 4 and 6. What does 4 and 6 have in common? If you don't know, then you're going to list them out. Let's see. Some of you might have answers. I'm curious to see if you have. All right. Simplify. Okay, so listen. So if I do 4 and 6, 4, 8, 12, 16, 6, 12, I can stop, right? 12. But, Neve, if you use 24, you're not wrong. You just have to simplify. I will not have to simplify because I use the smaller number. You're not wrong. You're just not done. Okay? So, 4 times what is 12? Times 3 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times what number? Times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now you're going to add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 twelfths. All right, we're okay? Now let's make it one step, not harder.
No. Wait, one step harder or one step not?
Depends. Some of you will be like, oh my god, it's so much it's hard stuff. And now others will be like, this is the easiest thing in the world. We'll see. All right. 7 twelfths plus 2/3. 7 twelfths plus... Okay. What does 12 and 3 have in common?
12.
What does 12 and 3 have in common? You want the smallest number possible. And then you... ¿Qué tienen en común? 12 y 3. Hay que proteger. What is our common denominator? Yes, in the back, 12. 12. If you chose 24, that's fine. You're going to end up simplifying way more than I do. If times 4 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8. What's 7 plus 8? 15. Okay, now, what do you call, we're not done with this problem. We're not done with this problem. Oh my goodness. But, what do you call a number, a fraction, when the top number is bigger than the bottom number? What do you call a fraction that has, yes? What do you call the fraction when the top number is bigger than the bottom number? We will get one whole, but what's the name? Andrew?
Uneven numbers.
Okay. Improper fraction. So, this is called improper fraction. Impares is odd. Impares 1, 2, 3, 5. Improper is no propio?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I kind of squished my letters there. Improper fraction. Does anybody know what we convert it into? We changed the improper to a... Starts with an M.
Mixed number?
Mixed number.
Is the one with like 1 or like...
Yes. So, improper changes to a mixed number. Okay? An improper, no propio, changes to a mixed number. How? How do I end up with a 1 and something?
It's 1 now?
How do I do it? What math do I need to change an improper to a mixed number? Divide. Divide. Okay. How many times is 12 going to 15? 1. Edward, pay attention. 12 goes into 15 one time. Now, this is the only time I like remainders. What is my remainder? 3. All right. Who can tell me what is your mixed number? 1 and over 12. So, from an improper fraction, we divide. We get this. This is called a mixed number. It's a mixed number because it has a whole number plus a fraction. But we're not done yet.
Oh, no.
We have to simplify. Simplifying is when you do this. What can I divide 3 and 12 by?
3.
3. Stop, Jaden. Don't do that. If you have 3, there's only one number that fits into 3, and that is 3. So when we shout out like 2 or random numbers, it's like, wait, pause. Okay, so what is this equal to? 1 and 1/4 would be your final answer. I had a parent contact me, like, why is my student failing? And I'm like, the test. It was the test.
I have an A.
All right. Okay, one more.
Oh, no.
One more.
What happened?
Classwork.
Huh?
Classwork.
Give me classwork.
All right. What does 5 and 4 have in common?
20.
Do it. 5 and 4 have in common. Okay, Daniel, Axel, let's refocus our attention. gentlemen. So, Ruben,
Someone.
use 20. Then, 5 times what equals 20?
4.
Jacob, stop. Times 4 times 4. What's 3 times 4? 12. 4 times what number equals 5? What's 3 times 5? All right. Now you get to add. What's 12 plus 15? 27 over 20. Now, this is called an improper. So what we have to do is change it to a mixed number by
Adding.
dividing. What number goes inside?
27.
20.
He sees it, he corrects himself. Okay, how many times is 20? Why are we touching that? Why? 1. 20. What's my remainder?
7.
What's my mixed number?
1, 7, 12.
720.
12.
I don't even know where I got 12 from.
Me neither.
No, that worked. Chris. No, I hate it. Bro, that's too much work. What does that do? That.
Jaden, let me know if you need extras. All right. Okay, everybody stop. Marley, let's not distract people. Let's be on this side, please.
Which side?
Thank you. Okay, on this side. Daniel, I asked you to put that away a long time ago. Not Daniel, Axel. I asked you to put that away. Okay, your assignment on this side would be numbers 1 through 8 only. Okay? So for those of you who can work faster than I am going to right now, go ahead and do it. Work faster. For those of you who need a little extra support at the beginning, listen to me. Okay, we're sharing on this side because they actually tell you the number to use. They're doing the hard part for you. So they already told you for number 1 that the number is going to be 12. So it's like, cool, they told me it's 12. I like that. So then your job is to tell me 3 times what number equals 12? 4. So in there, we're going to write the number 4. And then on the top, you're going to write the number 4. Because 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, what's 2 times 4? 8. Then the bottom one. 4 times what number is 12? 3. So you're going to multiply the top by 3. What's 1 times 3? What's 8 plus 3?
11.
So they tell us the number to use. So that's half of the work. They're already telling us what to use.